G'day guys, Greg here. Now, as a YouTuber, you get to meet hundreds of different people along the way. I've met some really great people, and one of the nicest and most beautiful men that I've ever met, his name is Spencer. And well, it's his birthday today, so happy birthday, Spencer. Now, Spencer's best mates, Chris and Arnica, they really wanted me to show Spencer how to cook something on his birthday. Apparently the only thing that Spencer knows how to cook is his brain cells at a doof. So one of Spencer's favourite drinks is Mountain Dew. Now Chris sent me a recipe using Mountain Dew. He wanted me to replicate for Spencer, and I tell you what, it is the most disgusting looking thing I've ever seen. So disgusting, in fact, I just got to try it and see just how bad it is for myself. Anyway, let me show you what I'm going to be using. So for this, all we're using is, well, you'll need some cheddar cheese and some cream cheese as well. I've also got some butter, you ripper. You'll need some Mountain Dew, of course, and a few slices of bread. I've got some green food dye colouring here. They say you might need to crack some salt in as well, we'll see. Anyway, let's start making this. Okay, for starters we need our saucepan, and we're going to add some Mountain Dew into here, and we need to reduce it. So I'll start off with that much, and you'll probably want to reduce it down to half as much. I haven't had Mountain Dew for a while. Tastes nothing like I remember. This one tasted lemony. Is this lemon flavoured or something? Anyway, let's keep cooking. So I got my 2 slices of bread here, which I think straight off the bat I will just butter on one side each, and then I can put this aside. Are you watching, Spencer? Get your nose out of that orchie bottle, Spencer, and start concentrating. Alright, let's put that aside and we'll grab a bowl here. Now, because I'm making one sandwich, I'll need to add in the amount of cheese I would use for one sandwich. So, I reckon that'd be about right. Now, grab your cream cheese, and you'll want to add about whatever you used in proper cheese, about a quarter in cream cheese. And if you leave the cream cheese out, it'll be much softer and easier to use. And whatever I just used in cream cheese, I'll also use in butter. Oh yeah. Nice. Now, we'll grab our food colouring here and just put a couple of drops in there. That was 4, which is way too many. And now we just need to mix this all together. Right. There we go. That's that done. And back over to the Mountain Dew, which looks like it's reducing nicely. Now all we do is put this cheese mix in here. Boy, that looks awesome. Said no one ever. And we just need to melt this all through together. Let it thicken up. Now I have been stirring this constantly, and well, it's thickened up pretty well. It's still quite runny, but I think that's what this recipe requires for some reason. It's a really weird recipe, man. So I got a separate frying pan here. I think it might have warmed up by now. Oh! Forks and knives! It has! So let me use this knife. Let me just add a little bit more butter into there. I'll turn that heat down too. It's way too hot. Oh, and scratching the Teflon off with a knife. I know lots of people won't like that. But apparently Teflon is really good as a laxative. So now we'll add the bread in here. Yes, yes. And the Mountain Dew mix. God. Why would they even bother with this recipe? It's obviously disgusting. And it doesn't even look like it's going to work. But they want you to pour it on the bread. Like this. On both sides. Like that. And we're toasting the bread, hopefully not burning it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's burning. But once we haven't tried to burn it, we put that back over there like that. And just toast it like a normal toasted sandwich. Well, if one side was burning, obviously the other side's going to be too. Yep. Only slightly though. But it looks like it is oozing out. I bet that's probably going to be the tastiest part of the whole sandwich. But I reckon that should be right. I'm going to take it off, folks. I'll give it a flip. Yep. Get rid of that. Stick it on the plate. And we'll suss this bad boy out. Alright, well there's the Mountain Dew toasted cheese sandwich I whipped up just for you, Spencer. Let's cut it open. See how bad it looks from the inside. Oh, mate. That looks like the inside of a toilet bowl after one of Spencer's famous parties, which I've been privileged enough to attend. Anyway, let's give it a go. Oh, Mike! It tastes a little bit sweet, of course, from all that sugar in the Mountain Dew, but it actually tastes all right. It's got that real cheddar cheese flavour about it, of course, and, well, you can't ever go wrong with that. But all the other flavours mixed in together make this taste edible. In saying that, Spencer, I wouldn't be adding this to the request list for the green room at one of your gigs, but it actually tastes all right. Just tastes like a slightly sweet toasted cheese sandwich that looks like vomit. Well, there you go, Spencer. That's how you can cook something other than your brain cells at home. Happy birthday, Spencer. Lots of love from Chris and Arnica and your favourite unofficial stepdad, the old Grego. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time I upload a video. Cheers. Oh yeah, this